Hi everybody, and welcome to a brand new C4L How To. My name is Devin, and for this C4L How To, we're going to be going over something really, really cool in Google Sheets. So let's come over and let's pull up a brand new tab. From here, let's come over to the right, and let's pull up Google Sheets. There it is. So for those of you that don't know, Google Sheets is a really, really cool Google application where you can put down a lot of specific information, and you can kind of sort it out just to where it's just not too much of a hassle, as in putting in something else like Google Docs. So for just the sake of time, for the sake of an example, I'm going over the gradebook template that's already given to me. So let's click on that. Then once it pulls up, over to the left-hand side is going to be a little table giving you a specific grades in this example that's kind of listed out for you. And then over to the right, there's going to be a couple graphs that's going to be telling you about the information that you put in. So once all this loads up, there's actually going to be something down in the right-hand corner called the Explore tab. So to access that, let's go over to that table that we already have. Let's click on the A+. That's the first for the grades. Once you do that, you can come down into the right-hand tab, or the right-hand side of the screen, and it should say Explore. You can click on that. Now, the reason why you're going to click on the A+ is because now it's going to narrow down the information on what you're going to be talking about. So now it knows exactly what you want the information on. Once you pull it up, right here, there's going to be a little question tab, and that's where you can actually type in questions. So let's say that you want to know the median or the range of the information that you just put in, just where you don't have to do all that just by calculating in your head or on a calculator, just where it doesn't take as much time. And this is definitely a really, really cool and unique thing. And along with all this information, you can actually get little tables and graphs and stuff like that. So let's come down and let's look at all the different cool graphs that it gives you. So you have a couple bar graphs, you have a pie chart right there, pie graph, a couple dot graphs, line graphs. I mean, you have so much of it. It gives you so much in-depth information. So let's come up and let's actually go to the pie chart, the pie graph, and let's pull it over. So you're just going to click on it, you're going to drag it over, and then you're just going to drop it. And then from there, it'll be in your Google Sheet. Let's exit out of the Explorer for a second so that we can minimize this so that it doesn't take as much space. Let's click on it. Let's make it a little bit smaller and let's put it over to the right. Now you can do that with all sorts of graphs and with all sorts of information, and it definitely makes things really, really cool. And like I said, that Explore tab, I mean, it'll come in so much handy, especially if you have so much information. Like let's say that you're doing a study on all the students that are in the Dallas area, just like with Roar City and stuff like that, or let's say that you're a teacher and you have all these grades first semester for all your students. This will definitely help you out so much, especially with knocking it out quick and just with precision. Definitely hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below and what you guys would like to see in a future video. This is Devin, signing off.